Hey everybody, it's Mark with Cheese Bees. It's August 12th, and this is the hive that I did the newspaper combine. I put the inner cover backwards so these bees would have a way to get in and get out. The bees on the front have their way right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop off this box, check, make sure it's combined, pull the newspaper off. I had fed them here last time. It's going to be interesting with no tripod, so what kind of videos you guys get. Here we go. All right, hopefully this is going to work. We're going to see. The feeder is completely empty, which I figured it would be, just because of the time of the year. You can't see any of it because it fell down. All right. You can see they've eaten it all up. They're effectively combined. So I'm going to put it back together. Don't know where the phone fell, but that's okay. But you can see how they eat it up. Pull all this stuff up, just throw it away, put the boxes back together, and that's how you combine hive. Maybe we'll try this again, put it back together. I need a new camera guy. I guess you could leave this on here, but bees they're just gonna eat it up. It's junk. They're gonna clean it up. I'd much rather them be out foraging and taking care of the hive than trying to clean up my mess for them, so. So get most of it off. I'm going to put this box back on here. Put this onto the front. This. And that's it. So I know I need to feed these bees again. If this hive used all the syrup, the rest of them have too. It's been dry. Newspaper combined. Hope you saw half of it. Brick, green, life's good.